everyone, I'm Veronica and today I am back with another video to help you with a particular PDF conversion issue many users have been asking about. What do you do if you want to convert your existing WordPad document to PDF? Well, that's the topic of today's video, in which I will show you some valuable and reliable methods that would help you convert WordPad to PDF documents. And for those of you who may not be familiar with this topic, WordPad is a built-in Microsoft Windows text editor that allows you to create simple text documents with minimal issues involved. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. 3 ways to convert WordPad to PDF offline and online. Hello again, today's video is all about the conversion of WordPad to PDF. So you can convert all of your WordPad documents to PDF without getting in much trouble. I will show you 3 practical methods that you can use to convert WordPad to PDF files. WordPad to PDF direct conversion. If you already have WordPad installed on your device, this is the most straightforward way to convert WordPad to PDF files. You won't need any third-party tools, as WordPad can convert to PDF directly, so follow along. Step 1. Launch WordPad on your Windows device and open the WordPad file you want to convert to PDF by going to File and selecting Open, then selecting your file from its folder location. Step 2. Select File from the top left corner and click Print. In the dialog box in the Select Printer section, look for Microsoft Print to PDF and select it, then hit Print. Step 3. Choose where you want to save your document and name it in the File Name field. Finally, hit the Save button, which will convert the WordPad to PDF. That was such a simple method to save WordPad as a PDF on a Windows computer, right? So let's have a look at the next one. Convert WordPad to PDF using PDFelement. Now get ready for an even more helpful and exciting way. For this method, we will be using a WordPad to PDF converter tool that does all the work for you. And the tool for this is PDFelement, which helps users convert their existing WordPad files to PDF in just a few clicks. So follow along if you want to know just how quick the conversion process from WordPad to PDF is using PDFelement. If you are already not a PDFelement user, then what are you waiting for? Download it now via the link in the description below. Once you have PDFelement installed on your device, launch it and select Create PDF button on the main page. Then select the WordPad document you want to convert to PDF from its folder location. The document will then be automatically converted into a PDF. All that's left to do now is to head over to File and select Save As from the drop-down menu. Choose a folder location for where you want to save your file, name your file in the File Name field, and be sure that PDF file is the select format under Save As type. Now hit the Save button. This is the most reliable and efficient method of converting WordPad files to PDF offline using PDFelement. It doesn't even require an active internet connection and works for both the Windows and macOS versions of PDFelement. Did you know that WordPad files use different formats, which are .txt, .rtf, .odt, .docx, and .doc? You may be curious what these formats are. These are text file, rich text document, Office Open XML document, and Open Document Text. And the best part is that all of these formats are supported by PDFelement because in the end they are WordPad files after all. Convert WordPad to PDF online. But what if you don't want to install any extra software on your device to convert WordPad files to PDF and you don't have access to WordPad on your device? You've probably already guessed it. For this method, we will be using an online WordPad to PDF converter. The main benefit of tools like this is that it saves you the hassle of installing extra software, especially if you don't need to convert files often. So for this method, we will be using Hipdf, which is an online solution to this problem. Keep watching to find out how you can use it to convert WordPad documents to PDF online. Keep in mind that for this method, you will need an active internet connection. Step 1. Type https://www.hipdf.com/ in the URL address bar in a web browser and hit enter. Select the Convert button on the main page. Scroll down and select RTF to PDF. Now click on Choose File and select your WordPad file from its folder location. Finally, click on the Convert button. Wait for the conversion process to finish, and once it's done, you can download your converted PDF document. The file will be saved to your default downloads folder. So now that I have shown you these 3 valuable methods of converting WordPad to PDF documents online and offline, it's time to answer some frequently asked questions. This week I got a lot of great questions from PDFelement users that you might also have. So let's begin our You Ask, We Answer section. The first question is, can I save a WordPad document as PDF? That's a good question. You can indeed save a WordPad document as a PDF by using a third-party tool like PDFelement or the built-in print to PDF feature in WordPad. Question 2. What is WordPad and does it offer multiple formats? If you're not familiar with WordPad, it is the primary word processor in all Microsoft Office operating systems since Windows 95 onwards. Yes, you can format documents using it. That include graphics and format text in bold, italic, and change colors, align text, and many other simple editing and formatting options are available. Okay, that was pretty much what we have today in our session. I hope you have learned something from today's video, and you can now convert your WordPad files to PDF using any of the methods explained. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section, and we will try to answer them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the PDFelement channel to learn more about PDFs and productivity. And I'll see you on the next one.